got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
So let's see what we got from 17 to 23, 16, 15. What do you want?
Man, you got some wind, whatever you got.
These are all 20.
You still got the Jeep and everything?
Huh?
Still got the Jeep?
I got the Jeep. I got 2 slingshots now. The truck, the golf cart. I'm gonna probably go ahead and get me a side-by-side soon.
Yeah, but that's advertising though.
Yeah.
That's the way you gotta do it.
Yeah, all of it. Yep.
Just an investment, that's all.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
That is all it is. Let's see. I don't know none of these songs. I just got this USB, so.
Oh, you good? I ain't know here.
It's that shit I'm telling y'all about. That's what it is. That shit don't change that shit.
That's 26 hertz gets you. This is 16 to 31.
Now. Right now. Then it's just only his flashbacks.
That thing float anything here.
It floating, man.
It's in a comforter right there.
Yes, sir.
Right there. Which ones are those right there?
Those are the Untouchable Sounds Level 2 V1 King Series subs.
Those not the highest one you got, is it?
Now, I've designed a completely different revamp that subwoofer. That's the Level 2, but that's the V1 version. That one has a 4-layer coil on that one.
Yeah.
The new one has an 8-layer.
Real deal.
Yeah, so it's an 8-layer coil.
You gonna swap
Progressive
these
spider
out?
packs. When they go, I'm
Yeah.
too damn big to fit in there.
Hey,
bro.
hey, man, that's a tight fit right there. I don't know if you can.
I was tight to go in it before. I can only imagine how bad it'll be going in now.
You get them out, you leave them there till you have to take them out.
Dead ass.
That's the way you do it.
Leave it right there, man. Leave
Yeah,
it right
man.
there. I'm not in a rush.
Where can they find these up there?
Untouchable-sounds.com. We have everything now. Tweeters, drivers, mid-bass, coaxials. We got subwoofer amps. We literally got everything in stock now. Untouchable-sounds.com. Follow me on Untouchable Sounds on all social media. We got everything going. Remember, God first, keep Him first, and everything will be all right.
Y'all be sure to check it out, man.
Yes, sir.
It's real deal stuff right here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Man,
But yeah, dude, it's crazy, bro.
They gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.